Hi, welcome to Dodds Doors Helpful Tips. Today we're going to walk you through how to realign your photo eye. Let's get started. If your garage door is not closing or starts to lower and reverses, it could be your safety photo eyes. Another hint is if your garage door opener lights blink. These are your photo eyes. There's a left and a right. Go to whichever photo eye has an amber light on it. This is your emitter photo eye. Make sure it's secure by giving a very light tug. If it's loose or off, reclip to the track. Now that your eyes are locked onto your track, look to the face of your photo eyes. There should be a silver wing nut on the front of each facing into the garage. Make sure that they are tight and secure and that the photo eye is facing the opposite side of your garage door. If you have a solid amber light, this means you're good to go. No amber light means you either have a malfunctioning photo eye or electrical problem with your garage door opener. If so, give Dodds a call and we should be able to send a technician to your home same day. Now let's go look at the other side. Your opposite photo eye should have a green light on. If this photo eye is out of alignment, you should see the green light either flickering or off altogether. Make sure this photo eye is aligned and facing the opposite eye by adjusting its placement in the bracket. Now that the green light is solid without flickering, tighten the wing nut so the eye is secure. Now you should be all set. There's a few simple repairs you can do on your own, but for most issues, give the professionals at Dodds a call. Thanks for watching.